The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser pickup is a daring example of the company's long history of producing reliable vehicles that skillfully combine classic good looks with cutting-edge engineering. This pickup version of the renowned Land Cruiser brand has a practical yet elegant aesthetic, making it ideal for individuals who value durability, dependability, and strength. It represents the next generation of one of the most admired off-road classics in the world. The 2026 model year represents an homage to the Land Cruiser's enduring appeal across continents, from the Middle Eastern deserts to the rural African plains and the rough trails of Australia, while also embracing the technological innovations and eco-consciousness of the present day. A sleek and versatile vehicle that appeals to explorers, professionals, and enthusiasts alike, the Land Cruiser pickup is the result of rigorous engineering by Toyota. It is not just a workhorse, though. The strong stance and contemporary take on a traditional design language of the 2026 Land Cruiser pickup immediately grabbed notice. A strong and commanding presence is exuded by the front fascia, which is equipped with a striking grille that features broad horizontal slats and the Toyota symbol centrally placed. The LED headlamps are sculpted with pinpoint accuracy, lending the vehicle an air of resolve and purpose that mirrors its off-road heritage. Not only does it have a pickup bed that allows you to carry more tools, gear, or adventure equipment, but its sculpted hood, high ground clearance, and prominent tire arches give it a tough appearance. Finding a happy medium between a luxury off-roader and a practical vehicle, the design is attractive and practical. A combination of aluminum and high-strength steel is used to make the body panels. This makes them lighter and more durable, which is important for dealing with harsh situations without sacrificing efficiency. The powerful design of the 2026 Land Cruiser pickup is on display along its flanks, with striking character lines that stretch from the fenders to the tailgate, creating the illusion of movement even when the vehicle is stationary. Toyota offers a variety of wheel options for its vehicles, including 17-inch all-terrain alloys and 20-inch premium variations that exude a more opulent vibe, depending on the trim level. With its reinforced ladder frame chassis and extended wheelbase, this vehicle is exceptionally stable, even on rough terrain or when pulling heavy cargo. At the back, you'll find a robust bumper with integrated steps, LED taillights, and a hydraulic assist that makes opening the tailgate a breeze. The durable composite material used to line the cargo bed makes it resistant to scratches and dents, highlighting its versatility for both work and play. This pickup truck exudes confidence whether you're navigating a city street or a rugged mountain road, thanks to its exterior design that embodies Toyota's concept of form and function. There has been a tremendous improvement in the 2026 Land Cruiser pickup's interior in terms of technology, refinement, and comfort. While maintaining the durability anticipated of a truck, Toyota has rethought the interior arrangement to give the same feeling of high refinement as the SUV version. Connectivity options include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's high-tech multimedia package, all accessible through a large touchscreen infotainment system that blends into the center console. Drivers may customize the instrument cluster's displays to highlight important information like off-road modes, fuel efficiency, and navigation data, thanks to a combination of analog durability and digital innovation. A sense of opulence without compromising functionality is achieved by the use of high-quality materials including wood grain accents, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch leather. With features like power adjustments, lumbar support, and heating and ventilation settings, the seats is made to provide long-haul comfort. The vehicle is well suited for long-distance travel because to its spacious cabin and supportive rear bench seats. The famous reputation of the 2026 Land Cruiser pickup is justified by its performance, which is characterized by a lineup of economical and powerful powertrains. To cater to various markets and driving tastes, Toyota primarily offers two engine options. The primary powertrain option is a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 diesel engine with 304 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, which provides exceptional pulling capability and command of rough terrain. The second choice is a hybrid system with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and electric propulsion that produces about 400 horsepower. It is one of the most fuel-efficient Land Cruisers ever made because to its hybrid configuration, which also boosts acceleration and performance. The 10-speed automatic transmission works in tandem with both engines to give seamless and quick gear changes, and the all-weather four-wheel drive system keeps you stable and traction-free no matter the weather. Confidently navigating steep inclines, deep muck, and rough roads is a breeze for this truck, thanks to its low-range transmission, locking differentials, and smart terrain management systems. Toyota has spared no effort in making sure that the latest generation of the Land Cruiser pickup maintains its dominance in the most extreme off-road environments, which is still the pickup's fundamental purpose. When a driver selects one of the several drive modes offered by Toyota's multi-terrain select system, the vehicle's throttle response, suspension damping, and traction control are optimized for a variety of surfaces. The adaptive suspension system adjusts ride height and stiffness intelligently depending on terrain, while crawl control helps keep a constant speed whether climbing or descending. With an approach angle of 32 degrees and a departure angle of 26 degrees, in addition to ground clearance over 250 millimeters, this pickup can overcome obstacles that would strand many of its competitors. Connectivity doesn't stop in the interior. Either using Toyota's remote smartphone app, owners can do things like start the engine, preheat the climate, and check the vehicle's status from anywhere. With the capacity to communicate via satellite and an emergency SOS system, adventurers may rest easy even when venturing far from civilization. The 2026 Land Cruiser pickup is an example of Toyota's dedication to innovation and sustainability, going beyond its technological prowess. Not only does the hybrid model cut down on gas mileage and pollution, but it also represents Toyota's continued push toward carbon neutrality. Emphasizing environmental responsibility without sacrificing durability, the production process makes extensive use of advanced manufacturing techniques and recyclable materials. This pickup truck embodies the best of both worlds, old-school ruggedness and eco-awareness. It pays homage to its roots while gearing up for the future. Price estimates for the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser pickup range from about $60,000 for the base model to about $85,000 for the top-of-the-line, hybrid-equipped version with all the bells and whistles. Its mix of exceptional off-road prowess, premium interior features, and renowned dependability makes up for its comparatively high price tag when compared to traditional midsize trucks. Roof racks, off-road lighting kits, reinforced skid plates, and camping equipment are just a few of the many customization options offered by Toyota, letting pickup owners personalize their vehicles to their lifestyle preferences. Anyone in need of a reliable and adaptable vehicle for use in harsh environments, including private individuals, commercial fleets, humanitarian groups, and government operations, can benefit from this vehicle's design. Thanks for watching.